Hi YouTubers, this is Cooking with Kelly, and this doesn't look very appetizing. I already ate some of it. I mixed it up real good. It's spinach and spaghetti sauce. And if you're trying to get your kids to eat their spinach, I think they're like this. What I do, I always steam my spinach. That keeps most of the vitamins and everything in there. So I just ate a little spaghetti. Only put a little sauce in my spaghetti. And then I had quite a bit of sauce left. So what I did, I said, well, let me see how I make spinach taste. Because I'm trying to eat more vegetables like I used to back in the day. But now I really don't like to eat them too much unless I really season them real good. But yeah, frozen spinach is good. And I steamed it. And then I just mixed the sauce up in there. And you know what? It tastes pretty good. So you probably get your kids to eat it like this, and then sprinkle a little cheese on top. I think they'll really like it. So bye for now, and hope you try this, even though it don't look very appetizing. It tastes pretty good. Bye.